what's up guys? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, we're going to be doing 5 maintenance vehicles at one location. And we're going to be showing you how long it takes us to get it done, what exactly that includes, and a few tips and tricks. So stay tuned. Hey, so Juan, how long do you think it's gonna take us to finish all 5 vehicles?
Say 8 hours.
8 hours?
Good 8 hours.
So let's see, we started about like 8:40. Let's just say round it up to 9. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5? 9 to 5?
Yeah.
On 5 vehicles?
9 to 5.
That's a long time. 8 hours.
Jeez. It's a long time, but how much are vehicles? 5?
It's 5 vehicles.
5 vehicles. Say an hour and a half each.
2 SUVs, 2 trucks, and a car, a coupe.
The SUVs is gonna take a while, but the coupes, I mean, maybe
only
an
1
hour
coupe.
Max. But those SUVs probably like an hour 40. So
I'm gonna estimate about. Well,
I call 5. I call 5.
I'm trying to do 5 or 6 hours with both of us.
I call 5 p.m. I know 5, 6 hours.
This guy 5 p.m.
Hey, hopefully.
But we'll see. Keep you guys updated. So far we got the Urus almost done. We just got the exterior detailed foam wash done. Mini interior is about to be done. We just got finishing touches. This one, it was ceramic coated by us, so we're just gonna use throttle detail spray to wipe out the exterior, no spray wax, since it is ceramic coated and the protection is doing very well. And we got this Rolls-Royce mini detail as well. So all of these are gonna get mini detail, all 5 of them. Urus, Rolls-Royce, Escalade, Tacoma, and Raptor over there. We just finished the exterior wash on the Rolls-Royce. He's finishing up the interior, and then we got to wipe this one down. This one doesn't have ceramic coating, so we just do like a spray wax or express sealant. Today we're going to do a spray wax. So we did express sealant last time, so protection's still doing pretty well. And then we just got to do finishing touches on the outside, so wipe down the wheels, tire dressing, door jambs, windows inside and out, and make sure it's on good to go. So we're going to get both of these done first. We got here around like 8:40, 8:30. It's 10:50ish, so we're almost done with these 2. Once we're done with these 2, we're gonna pull them back to the driveway and probably move the Tacoma over here and do probably all 3 of them at the same time. All 3 exteriors. We'll knock out all 3 exteriors at the same time, and then we'll get started on inside and finishing touches. Keep you guys updated. Alright, so we're pretty much all done with the Rolls-Royce and the Urus. It is 12. Got this thing all done. We just rolled it back to dress the rest of the tire and touch up any spots we may have missed on the wheel. So this thing is sweet, ready to go. About to go park it on the driveway and move the other cars around and get started on those. Things all nice and clean. The Urus is just getting finished up right now with door jambs, and we got these 3 left. So hopefully we can finish them in about 3 hours, the rest of them, but probably gonna be closer to 4-ish. We'll see. ceramic coated Raptor that we did a couple months ago. It's still beating really good. Ceramic coating for the win. And this thing gets used, they all stay outside. This thing had a couple bird droppings around the vehicle, but good thing it didn't etch through the coating nor the paint, so we're good there, and the paint looks really good still. We got a 1-step and a 3-year coating, which is basically our new vehicle protection package. So we did a full prep and 1-step correction and 3-year ceramic coating with our ceramic coating, and it looks really nice, really good, glossy, beads really well. So this is the way that we decided to do. So our first set, we did the Rolls and the Urus. We put them on that side where the Tacoma is. We knocked those out of the way first. That way, if the clients needed a vehicle to use, they can use one of the vehicles. So they ended up taking the Urus to go on with their day. And we are now left with these 3 to do. So we're done washing the outside of the Tacoma. We're done washing the outside of the Escalade. And we're just finishing up the Raptor. And then we're going to dry the Raptor, then dry the Escalade, and then dry the Tacoma. We're using spot-free water, so we don't have to worry about water spots. And then we're just going to blow dry the Raptor, blow dry the Escalade, and then probably towel dry the Tacoma and blow dry that one, just because the Tacoma, the protection is not that great. It only has spray wax on it, so it's not like super beating like these 2. That one has ceramic boost on it, but it's not ceramic coated. It's just our express sealant, so that one beats pretty good. If you look at it, it looks like it's ceramic coated, but it's not. It beats really well because of the ceramic boost, but it's not ceramic coated, so it doesn't last as long as ceramic coating, and it still has a bunch of imperfections in the paint. That's kind of a little hard to see, but you can see water spots and swirling. But yeah. All right, it's a little update. It is 2:43, and we are done washing the exterior of all 3 and drying them. We just need to do, we're about to finish the Escalade first. So mini interior is done. He's just doing door jambs, windows, and we got to do the wipe down on the outside of the paint. Wheels are pretty much done. We just got to do little finishing touches on the Escalade. These 2 still need mini interior details. And then the wipe down of the Tacoma's done, and the wheels. I'm about to do the wheels on this one. But I'll probably do wipe down first on this one and then move on to this one. We should hopefully be able to finish by 5. So if we finish by 5, that'll be about 8 hours that we took to do 5 vehicles. But they were pretty big. They weren't super dirty, but they were pretty big. So yeah, not too shabby. I'll show you a vid once they're all done. Interior's all nice and clean again. No more dust. Everything got wiped down. Alright, so 3:35 and we're all done with the Escalade inside and out. We'll wipe down. We already moved it back to adjust the rest of the tire. He's finishing up the inside of the Tacoma. Wipe down the Tacoma is done, and then we just have this one to finish up, finishing touches. Wipe down the paint, windows inside and out, mini interior, door jambs. Trying to get this done in about an hour and a half, so should be done about 5. Alright, so got the Tacoma done. There's a work truck. A lot better, vacuum, wipe down everything. Done inside and out. Door jambs, windows, same thing on every vehicle basically. I'm gonna roll it back right now and dress the rest of the tire. This one's done with the outside wipe down. I just gotta roll it back once he's done inside and dress the rest of the tires, and it just needs windows and door jambs. And we're gonna be done. It's 4:30. We'll probably be done about 5-ish, maybe a little bit later. But not too bad. About roughly 8 hours to complete all 5 vehicles with 2 people. All right, guys. So it's 5 p.m. We're just about done with the Raptor, which is the last vehicle that we're doing today. So it did take us about 8 hours. Juan was correct. We kind of knew, but I was hoping that we would get it done sooner. The goal is always to get it done sooner, but with the same quality. So yeah, we're about to go eat breakfast because we haven't eaten anything all day. So we're starving. And then gonna start planning our day for tomorrow and the whole weekend. So I just want to say thanks for watching. If you stuck to the end, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's, and I hope you guys have a good one. Stay safe out there.